Exercise 28. Percentage of mineral content in samples from various locations are shown below. 32, 28, 26, 24, 24, 23, 21, and 18. This list gives, like I said, the percentage of a mineral in a collection of 8 samples taken from various locations. Now, we have another sample which is being added to this collection, and the new sample is 56%. So, this was the before, and right now in the after, we will still have these values 32, 28, 26, 24, 24 again, 23, 21, 18, but we will also add 56. How would this affect the mean and median? Although I can do it by hand, I'm going to use the safest option here, which is none other than using Desmos. So let me show you Desmos. Let's bring it here. I need basically to see how mean and median were affected, and if they were affected, I need to calculate the mean and median before and the mean and median after. So on my Desmos, I'm gonna write first of all about the median. Median of 32, 28, 26, 24, 24 again, 23, 21, and 18. The median before median was equal to 24. Now, while I'm here in Desmos, I'm gonna also add the extra value of 56. So you can see that the median is still 24. Now, let me do that for the mean. I don't have to rewrite the numbers. I will simply change the prompt. Instead of median, I'm going to write it mean. And the mean before was 24.5. Now, if I simply add a new value, if I simply add the value of 58, so comma 58, the mean will now be a bit higher. It's going to be 28.2. So now I can return back to the exercise and easily compare them. I do see that the median is unchanged and the mean is bigger. Mean and median both remain unchanged. A is wrong. Mean remains the same. No, it's not. The mean increases, yes, and median remains unchanged. Yes, that's it. It's C.